great pleasure to be here today to unveil the new cycles from TI. It's beautiful, the range is very colorful, and I'm very happy to be a part of this event. Thank you.
I'm Rajesh Mani, General Manager Marketing and Retail of TI Cycles. First time introduced in the Dora cycles and Ninja Hattori cycles. Cartoon characters in bicycles for the first time in India. TI Cycles innovate பண்ணி கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம். 20 years back we first brought kid cycles into the market. Now kids ku வந்து என்ன exciting இருக்கோ, that is cartoon characters, அது வந்து how to bring it into cycles பார்த்து இது பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So we are hoping that kids will come and see these bicycles. It is available in all stores across the country. They can come and see these cycles and see what the range is available for them. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sandeep Dahya. I head licensing at Viacom 18. We're by launching Dora the Explorer and Ninja Hattori range of bicycles and tricycles in partnership and collaboration with TI Cycles. I think cycling is a phenomena and way of life in India, and it's important for kids to cycle and stay, active outdoors. So we're excited to be present in yet another significant category, and I think if you look at the range, we're very excited with the way it's shaped up and the way it's come up. It's truly molded and designed around our characters.
Good afternoon to everyone present here, and I would first of all like to say that my son wouldn't have approved of what you did right now because he's a big Hattori fan. And it's a great pleasure to be a part of an event like this because it's something that I can relate to as of now. So it's a great pleasure again, and my childhood memories of cycling, I would say, are more of falling because I learned very late. I learned cycling very late, but I think it's a great activity and it keeps your mind fresh. And even today, I think cycling is a great sport that everyone should try and keep up to because it also keeps you in touch with your old memories, and it doesn't kind of make you lose the child in you. It's something very exciting to do. So I think I've got great memories of cycling in the beach and maybe in Bangalore in parks. So yeah, I love cycling.
What about this particular range? What do you think? I mean, it has Dora, it has Ninja Hattori. All the kids love both these characters, the girls and the guys. So what do you think about that?
I think it's a great idea that TI Cycles of India kind of merged with Nickelodeon because kids love both these characters. I really can't talk much about Dora because I can't relate much with Dora. But Ninja, I should say that boys love the characters in the cartoon, and it's something very exciting for children, and I think they would love these characters to be a part of them when they're cycling and learning to cycle. So I think it's a great initiative for them.